And I promise DepEd na I will continue my commitment. I will swear my commitment mula sa puso ko.
Hi, I'm Rachel Kapampangan Poldo, Senior High School Teacher 6 of Somoray Agro-Industrial School. I started my DepEd journey year 2009, a year after I graduated from college in the program Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Biochem. My first station as a permanent teacher 1 is in Pangpang Integrated School, where I stayed for 2 years. After 2 years, in year 2011, I was transferred to my present station now, Somoray Agro-Industrial School, as permanent teacher 1. Then came 2019, na sumubok ng tatag ko at saka composure ko. Kasi there came a ranking for master teacher. I submitted my documents. So lahat ng fruits, certificates, achievements, recognitions, isinubmit ko, hoping that I would qualify for the ranking of the master teacher. But then, I fell short. Why? Kasi hindi pa ako master's degree. So parang bigla akong na-down na sa kabila ng lahat ng effort mo, trabaho mo na pinakita sa school, bago pa sa ating lingwahe itong balawasak sa trabaho, hindi ako nag-qualify. Sa ngayon, tinatanaw ko siya as challenge na rin. Why? Kasi na-down ako for 3 years. Inisip ko na walang saysay lahat ng ginawa ko. Kasi sabi nga natin, ng mga teachers, puhunan natin kung ano yung performance na pinapakita natin sa school. Na pag dumating yung time for promotion, may magbaback up sa'yo na. That time, sabi ko, walang nag-back up sa akin. Naging self-centered ako. It's really a challenge for me. Doon ako nagpursige na makapagtapos talaga ng thesis ko. Really, it's a God's perfect timing. Why? Kasi last year, binuksan ang pinto ng ECP. Wherein, yung lahat ng sakripisyo at pagod, binigyan ng opportunity ni ECP. That's why, ngayon, I have my Teacher 6 item and I belong to the first batch of the promoted teachers. So, salamat. And I promise DepEd na I will continue my commitment. I will swear my commitment mula sa puso ko hanggat kaya kong magturo, hanggat kaya kong makapagbigay ng best ko. Just for the learners. Ma'am Rara will still be here. Thank you.